You guys had to listen to this. This is crazy right here. My dog right here, destroy, make the noise of Angry Birds. See, look, it don't walk, but this one does. See, he go crazy already. And I know I got the yellow one, but he just started not trying bad. Be quiet. Yeah, he just did a yellow toy. This is the only survival. You're a toy destroyer, huh, doggy? Is there any comment? Yeah, nothing. Okay. Okay, so far he destroyed this toy and the yellow one. I wish I got it. But this one is the survival. Yeah, you are the one destroyed the toys, brat. Be quiet. Why don't I like these toys anyways? Yeah, just smell me. But I don't want this toy to die by the demon. Oh crap. Shut up. Yeah, if I get this to... My dog hates this toy. You see this, Angry Bird? Go get it.